Springfield Armory TRP. It's not the operator model, so it doesn't have a light rail built in, but it has a Dawson rail. It's an aftermarket rail that gets drilled and tapped into the dust cover. It's real low profile. As you can see looking at it from here, it's pretty straight across, so it'll fit into a lot of standard 1911 holsters. Not all, but a lot of them, and it doesn't add a lot of weight and big thick bulk through there if you're not running a light. The adapter for it is a little bit different. This is a Surefire X200B, so you replace these with these 6 screws. This whole top piece is different because obviously it's smaller than a 1913 rail, so it has this different adapter, this Dawson rail adapter, but it locks on just like a standard, like a cross slot 1913 type rail. This Surefire X200B is equipped with the Surefire DG18 switch, which was modified slightly. It was bent up a little bit to match with the contours of this particular pistol. I'll take that off there for now. This TRP has a set of VZ grips. It of course from the factory it has checkering. I think it's 20 LPI checkering. This has a Guncrafter Industries recessed lanyard loop mainspring housing. Pulled off the factory mainspring housing with the factory beveled or extended magwell, and then had a gunsmith bevel this. On a standard TRP, this is just square in here because it has an accessory or an aftermarket magwell on it that sticks out, but this one we had beveled, so they beveled the back and the sides and then refinished it in here. So anyway, it's custom beveled like that. The recessed lanyard loop. This one also has a 10-8 slide stop that was fitted to it, a 10-8 mag catch, which it's kind of hard to see, but as you can see it has an angled away. It's angled towards the front. It's extended in the rear where you need it to get to the slide stop, but not in the front, so it doesn't interfere with holsters and when you're carrying it and things. So that's another unique feature about it that Hilton Yam designed for 10-8 performance. So 10-8 mag release, 10-8 slide stop, which is nice and flat and extended and made out of real high quality steel. It has a 10-8 trigger, which is actually a Vickers / 10-8 trigger that doesn't have an adjustment for over travel screw that can come loose. The over travel is actually set when you're fitting the trigger from the inside, so there's no screw to back out or anything. Real nice trigger. Another 10-8 part, it has a 10-8 rear sight, which obviously you can see by looking at it, has this nice upswept catch instead of the Novaks that came that are snag free and just slanted, which on purpose, so they're snag free, but then there's a little bit harder to run the gun one-handed, where with this you can catch it on something, where the other one you have to pretty much put pressure pushing up to catch, to cycle it. Not a big deal, and then these also, the 10-8 sight has a U notch, and it's a fairly wide, I forget the diameter, like 1.140 I believe, but it's a U notch rear, and then just has a standard Tritium front sight that's obviously fitted real well, and then it's also pinned. And then this is the TRP, so it has real nice fit, everything. The same gunsmith, a local gunsmith, it's a top-notch gunsmith. He's the one that fit the 10-8 trigger, mag catch, slide stop, installed the mainspring housing, a couple other things, the sight, and he also polished up the breech face a little bit. The ramp, made sure everything was tuned, the extractor, polished the face of the extractor a little bit, just checked everything and made sure everything was squared away. This also has took out the Springfield one-piece guide rod or two-piece, whatever they have in it, that requires tools to take it down, and just replaced it with an Ed Brown standard GI type spring and plunger. And then it has an ISMI chrome silicone recoil spring. That's pretty much most of the features of this pistol. Has a Chip McCormick mag.
The guys and gals of GunWebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thanks for watching GunWebsites.com.